snowstorm prep. Irish butter, a chuck roast, and we're on. Rub this down with a nice amount of butter. This is going to make your soup silky and delicious. I added a little broth to get all the burnt bits off the bottom of the pan before I add this to the Instapot. I added 32 ounces of broth to the Instapot. Look at all of that deliciousness. And this is a 4-pound chuck roast. That's going in. And I'm going to scrape all of this in and cook that for an hour on high. Some pepper. I like a nice amount of pepper. That's up to you. And then I have this beef stew mix. I'm just going to throw a little bit in. And to the broth, I'm going to add tomato sauce. Okay, I'm taking the meat out. There you go. And that's going into here. So I could pull that all apart. Ooh. And then the luxurious vegetables. They all go in. Okay? Put those all in. And then I'm going to put the Instapot back on high for about 5 minutes. Let me add the sauce now also. You could add more sauce later. Delicious. It's looking delicious. I'm wondering, we're getting ready for this storm. The sky's looking very gray. Just delicious, hearty beef soup. And then I top it with some Parmesan cheese. And that's it. Delicious. Perfect food for a snowstorm.